If you have a walnut tree in your yard and it is a pain in your butt because those walnuts are all over the ground and all that you have been doing is picking them up and throwing them away, you are missing the boat. There are so many things that you can do with those walnuts. You can eat them and put them in recipes, but you can also make walnut oil. So we got eating, walnut oil, walnut milk. You can make stain, dye, and ink from the walnuts that decay. You don't even have to do any work to those. You can make cosmetic products. You can make exfoliators. You can use it to make soap. All of those different things that you can do with those walnuts. You can pick those walnuts up and just sell them by the bunches to someone else that wants to make soap, recipes, and different stuff with them. So those walnuts that were a pain, turn them into income. They're on your property. They're free. All you have to do is use them. Bye-bye.